Welcome to our Nmap tutorial. In this video, we will dive into the world of Nmap, a powerful open source network scanning tool that helps you discover host services and vulnerabilities on a network. Whether you are a cybersecurity professional or just curious about network security, Nmap is an essential tool to have in your toolkit. Let's get started by understanding Nmap, some basics, Nmap scanning and their uses. First command is the nmap -help command. It's your gateway to Nmap documentation, helping you understand its extensive capabilities. To access the help menu, simply type -help nmap -help. As you can see, these commands display a wealth of information including Nmap's uses, options, and various scan techniques. Next, let's talk about the -st command for a TCP connect scan. And first clear this, okay? So I have my own virtual own attacker machine. So here is my Metasploitable 2 and how to install Metasploitable 2 in our VMware. Link was description. Okay, so here was the my Metasploitable 2 IP address. So we scan this IP address vulnerable machines in our network. Okay, so firstly st command option introduced to Nmap to perform a TCP scan, TCP connect scan. It tries to establish a full TCP connection with the target host. To use it, simply type nmap and small s capital T. Okay, small s or capital T. Okay, then place your IP address. For example, if you want to scan the host IP, the IP address is 192.168.5.130. This is the my vulnerable machine IP address. Okay, I set up in a virtual machine. Okay, using a TCP scan. If you and type this and press enter. Okay, now let's okay, now see the TCP ports are here. All the open ports, TCP open ports, all the ports are here. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 25, 80 port 80 HTTP port. Okay, SMTP port was open. All the TCP ports are here. Okay, so this is the our TCP ports. So first clear this and move on to the SU command for a UDP scan. The -SU option tells Nmap to perform a UDP scan, which is used to identify open UDP ports on the target host. So just type nmap and we replace T with U. Okay, so this is the command and IP address placed and hit enter. Okay, so this command has lots of time of our this command has lots of time, so we skip the results and we see the another command. We see the -p command. Let's explore the -p option. The -p option allows you to specify a range of ports to scan. You can scan a single port or a range of ports. To scan a specific port or a range of ports, to use this format like this nmap -p and specify the port number 22, 23, 25, 80. Sorry, not a full stop. 23 and like 25, 88, 80. 443 and plus IP address 192.168.5.5.10.130. Okay, and press hit enter. And here was the our filter ports are, we have a here 22, 22, 23, 25, 80 and 443, and other ports are not showing because we put these ports only. Okay, so show the result in these ports. Okay, so these are the ports, and we clear this first. And lastly, let's explore the -st command, capital A combination. -st is a TCP scan with a OS detection and version detection. The -st command, capital A combination is a powerful one. It performs a TCP connect scan along with the OS detection and version detection. Okay, so use like a Nmap dash small s and capital T, and with a dash capital A, and place the IP address 192.168.5.13130. Okay, and hit enter. So here the scan was started. Sorry. So we have a result, and here was the HTTP title, Metasploitable 2. We use the vulnerable machine is the Metasploitable 2 is the form of the Linux. This is the form of the Linux, or these are the explanation of all the versions and OS detection and what version was running in Metasploitable 2 and OS details, as well as here details. Linux was 2.6.9 and 2.6.33. Okay, running OS is 2.6.x. Okay, so there you have it. There are some of basic Nmap commands you can use to start exploring your network. Remember, Nmap offers a plethora of options and scanning techniques, so continue your journey by exploring its documentation and experimenting with different commands. Thank you for watching this Nmap tutorial. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity and networking tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.